Here we are, first homies ride with the SR. Let's see what she can do. Check it out.
Recently, not today. I'm not supposed to be riding now.
Check this out, guys. If you don't believe it's an SR, here's proof. It's got R. It's got reverse. Great thing about this bike is even in eco mode, it's like a Suron. Eco mode is literally like Suron power on that thing. Check it. That's eco mode. Comes up so easily. Just an eco. In race, it'll fucking throw you on your back. So we're gonna turn it up here. It's sport. I think I lost these guys. My bad, dude. It's too fun to let loose on this thing.
Yeah, we're gonna take this up to harbor.
Okay.
Absolutely ridiculous.
You want to try it?
Yeah, I'm down.
Yeah, let's pull over somewhere.
Oh, I need to know the controls.
Yeah. Just pull over somewhere.
It's there on the other side of the light.
Okay. Yeah, it's an eco mode right now. That's how you change it.
Mode?
Yeah, the mode.
Is it sequential, so it just goes, you know, sport, whatever, and then it goes back down?
Yeah, eco, sport, and race.
And then back down to eco.
Be careful in race. Race is crazy. Okay. Sport, just get used to it when you're ready.
I don't even know if I'm going to even go that high.
Yeah. Yeah, but you know, same thing as a Suron. Brake, thumb regen, reverse, front brake. Yeah.
And everything else is
Yep.
the same.
Same. Yeah. Anything I should know about this guy?
Nothing you're not familiar with.
All right. Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay.
How to park.
Oh, park. Yeah. And then there's the park button. How was it?
What the fuck?
Did you try in sport?
Or was it race mode?
No, did you try? Okay, you tried in race?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow. Wow. That's not even like comparable to anything I've ever ridden.
Yep.
Wow, that got me like bike jitters, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, I have to lean forward.
Yeah, you gotta lean forward. Yep. You gotta be careful too when you click it from sport to race. Can't have your hand on the throttle.
No, I had it all the way down.
My homie did that. He went from sport to race while he had it on the throttle,
Oh, no, dude.
and it threw him back.
To cut it out and then change it.
Yeah, and then change it. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. It's a beast, dude.
Yeah, I'm buying that bike.
So we're thinking about changing the sprocket, but the torque is kind of the allure of the bike.
Honestly, like it didn't feel as bad. I mean, obviously, like with experience, I think you'll be fine.
Yeah, exactly.
It's fast enough with high torque.
Yeah.
That's what makes it a great bike.
Exactly. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. We might
You
keep
just gotta
it.
be real, like gentle on that throttle. If you don't like, if you're not used to it, you definitely lose that easy. I wasn't sure how much to give it, and then I started to feel it. I was like, okay, now I know.
And you're a bigger rider too, so like, so you don't think it's too much, or?
No.
Okay.
It's fucking fantastic.
Yeah.
I didn't even like. There's some like aspects about this bike that I feel with my weight.
Yeah.
I don't feel it with that.
Yep.
And that kind of eliminates everything. Like that's definitely wow. Yeah, it's worth the drive.
So, where are we going?
Yeah, that way.
Okay.
Wow, my eyes were tearing out the whole time.
some reason. Abort! Right in there, right?
He's like a half a stretch mile every time you fucking thrust it.
Dude, that's the bike, man.
Is it?
Like, I'm surprised how far you guys are behind me.
Like I literally, I had to stop throttling to make sure that I didn't go too far. Alright.
Crazy. Dude, I'm glad this thing has as much power as it does.
Bring it back down. Crazy.
Damn. Dude, I'm glad this thing has as much power as it does. It was getting steeper at the top.
Dude,
Yeah, it had the power to just fucking pull me up there.
Fuck, he's still going all the way up there. I believe I went up there already. He went further up there. He's gonna get stuck there, dude.